Hello and welcome to Autobayng.com. This video tutorial will show you how to obtain vehicle history reports on any car with just a few clicks. Step 1. Visit www.autobayng.com. On your mobile device, click on the menu area, navigate to the login section and log in to your account. Step 2. Once logged in, click on the menu icon again, navigate to the services section and click on the vehicle history report tab. Once the page appears, enter your VIN in the search tab, click on the search icon. Wait for the results to populate and then you can choose any report from the results available. Step 3. The Carfax, AutoCheck and Clear VIN history reports are available for this vehicle. Let's select the Clear VIN history report for this exercise because it has pictures of the vehicle in it. Step 4. Now you are almost done. Upon getting to the payment page, confirm your name by typing it in. Confirm your VIN is correct and then click on the Pay button. The final step is to view your report. Upon completing payment, you will be redirected to My Report page to view and download your vehicle history report. Click on the View Report button to get instant access to your newly purchased report. To view all photos of the car, click on the Download PDF link at the top of the report. A PDF of the VIN report will be downloaded to your browsing device once it is initiated. You can now view your vehicle history report in PDF including all the photos available for the vehicle. Never buy a car without knowing its history. Get a VIN report today. Thanks for watching.